She's put it away. Great. Give me the next one. Remember that you need cream for a pancake cake. As you can probably hear, the pancakes are already sizzling on the stove. What is this stuff? All we need now is some cream. Come on. In the meantime, we're figuring stuff out. I just got another bag from a jar. What is this? Go ahead and try it. Try it and find out. Jeez, sorry. No more potty mouth. No swearing. What's the smell? Tell me without swearing. We'll find out. What is it? Gross. I don't know. Doesn't smell like anything. So, what is it? Tell me what it is. First, tell me what was in there. I was going to let you smell your pancake. That's it. That's fine. I found the sour cream. Are you sure? Yeah, I actually tried it. Perfect. You know where the cups are? Grab any cup you like and whip up some cream for us with the sugar. Do you remember where you left all your sugar? I feel like I've lived a lifetime in the past 30 minutes. Really. First of all, I'm already super tired. I'm sweating and I'm tired. Give yourself a break for a moment and stay quiet. You're going to really regret not putting your hand in this next jar. First, though, I need to prepare this sour cream. I told her she would regret it, but she's still not doing it. I just think something's crawling all around me. I tell you what, how are you going to identify what's inside? I've become a brave person, actually. I'm not afraid anymore. Nothing to be scared of. I can feel that they're watching. Right. Millions are watching. I don't want to come across as some kind of scaredy cat. That's embarrassing. I don't want that. What's that? It's just Space Baby. Go ahead. Isn't it snotty? Jesus, come on. I just need to calm down and do it. It's not a big deal. I'll do it, and it'll be over. You're not listening to me at all. I'm asking you specific questions. What's in the jar? Give me an answer, and I'll help you. Just be quick. This is some kind of spaghetti again. Some kind of spaghetti? Think about it. Why are they so short? I don't know. They're spaghetti. That's fine. I just needed you to stick your hand in. Wash them. Wash your hands. What is it? It's spaghetti. I don't know. Fine, leave it then. Alona, I promised you a reward. You've got something out of the jar. What's that? I think you're getting 2 rewards for that. All right. I've prepared something for you. What? It's a chance to wash your hands. I know you asked for it, so go ahead. Rinse it off. Rinse it off. What's next? How do I use this? Open the valve. I'm a pro. I've used these things for most of my childhood. Well, haven't used them for a while. Are you sure your watch is waterproof? I'm sure. I take these to the pool. I'm a swimmer, did you know? Are you going to ask me about my other talents? It feels like you're trying to shower. Your hands are wet up to your elbows. Just stay in your clothes and don't mess up mine.